My name is Carlos Salinas, and I'm the founder and owner of Xochitl Gourmet Foods and Xochitl Inc. We are manufacturers of the best chips in the world and salsas. We started the company back in 1995. We actually started a trend in the nation of making the thinnest, crispiest chips, and we are very proud to be one of the most elite gourmet chip manufacturers in the United States. We manufacture everything here in Irving, Texas. We have organic blues, organic white, sprouted chips. We like to also engage in the holiday themes. We have Christmas chips, we have Halloween chips, and even patriotic. One of the main reasons we like to keep all our production natural and organic and very healthy is because that's what we eat in the family. We eat it every day, family and friends, and I want to give them the best possible there is. That's what I'm providing to all our customers. The best possible and healthy product that they can find with the best possible flavors and authentic recipes. All the oils that we use in this factory are certified organic. We don't have any other oil. All our chips are gluten-free, non-GMO verified, and kosher certified. We give you the best possible products from our family to your family.